Good morning, everyone. I was a little busy with family, so I had to take a short break, but now I'm back again and ready to continue with you all. So, today we are going to explain the terms mass, weight, inertia, and momentum. Now, let's start. Okay, now let's start with a mass is the amount of matter in a body. It is a scalar quantity. SI unit is kilogram. Mass never changes with location. For example, a 2 kg stone is 2 kg on earth, moon or in space. Okay, now come to the point number 2, that is weight is a force of gravity acting on a body. It is a vector quantity and SI unit is Newton. Formula it's W is equal to mg, where g is 9.8 meter per second square on earth. For example, a 2 kg mass has a weight of 19.6 Newton on earth but only 3.2 Newton on the moon. Key point, mass is a constant, weight changes with the gravity. Understand? Okay, now number 3 is inertia is the tendency of a body to resist changes in motion. It depends on a mass. Larger mass implies greater inertia. For example, a bus is harder to start or stop than a bicycle. Okay, now number 4 is the momentum shows the quantity of motion. It's a vector quantity and SI unit is kg meter per second. For example, a 0.2 kg ball moving at 25 meter per second square. I am solving here the example. Now, law of conservation of momentum in a closed system. Total momentum before it's equal to the total momentum after. Okay, now number 5 is the density. Density is the mass per unit volume of a substance. Formula its P is equal to mv, where m is the mass and v is the volume. SI unit is kg per meter cube or gram per centimeter cube in lab, and I am solving here the example. You can see, and real life examples are oil floats on a water because its density is lower, and iron sinks because its density is higher than water. Okay, now the real examples are mass and weight. Astronaut weigh less on moon. Inertia, seat belts protect passengers from inertia in sudden stop. Momentum, fast cricket ball has high momentum, harder to stop. Density, ships float because their average density is less than the water. Okay, now the conclusion is mass, amount of matter, weight, force due to the gravity, inertia, resistance to change, momentum, product of mass and velocity conserved, density, ratio of mass to volume, explains why things float or sinks. These 5 concepts link mathematics with real physics and our daily life. Okay, now I am showing you this red color Deccan and this nail cutter. It looks huge, but believe me, it's weighted nothing as compared to this nail cutter. I am telling you why. Because this red color Deccan is big, large volume, but made of low density material, that is plastic. While the metal rod or this nail cutter is small, less volume, but made of high density metal. That's why this nail cutter weighs more.